I was right about the steep start, weren't they?
Yeah.
Right then, here I'm from the Kimber Edge run. We're on Ironbridge Gorge circular today. Boxing Day again, so getting out. Not many views today, I'm afraid. Some real low level cloud today, fog. So we're on the Ironbridge Gorge circular today. It was formed around 12,000 years ago in the last ice age, a deep gorge consisting mainly of limestone rock. We'll be going across the bridge in a bit, so looking forward to seeing that. So we're in Ironbridge, going through the forest now. It's the birthplace of Billy Wright, who was the England captain and the Wolves legend, the footballer. Good shit. Oh, that's a great shot there. If you do this route, be aware it's seriously muddy. Come up to about the 3 mile mark, mud everywhere. That's some kind of rail system thing, isn't it?
Right.
Yeah, so this is Ironbridge, World Heritage Site. Beautiful. Industrial Revolution was all around here. Loads of museums.
Do you have to take a photo? No man, Batman's there.
Erected.
Erection in 1779. It's a long time ago, wasn't it? Last erection.
Well, there you go then, that's the Ironbridge. 1779 it was built, 100-foot long cast iron bridge, one of the first of its kind in the world. There's a view of the bridge behind. Obviously the River Severn running beneath it. That's it then, I'm all done with another one, Ironbridge Gorge, and thanks a lot to Loz for coming along, so see you next time, peace. I fancy a swim.
Little dip, little skinny dip.
A little what?
Skinny dip.
I thought you said a little dick.
Yeah, that as well.
Oh, I fancy seeing you, are you?
What a surprise. Nice to see you, Jim. Happy Boxing Day, man.
I'll give her.